Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your command prompt is not opening or working in Windows, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we can try is to launch the command prompt to the file explorer. So we will open the file explorer, go to C drive, okay, this PC C drive, and then we will double click on Windows, and in Windows we will look for the system32 file. Just press S so that you can find it quickly. Here open system32, and then since there are a lot of files in system32, you can just search for CMD. All right, and it will appear. CMD should appear here. There it is. Right click on this icon and click on run as administrator, and it will open. If it doesn't open this way, then we can open it through the task manager. So look for task manager. All right, you can click on run new task and then just enter CMD. And I forgot one step here, so let's do that again. Run new task, CMD, and you have to check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK, and it will start in the elevated command prompt mode. Now the next thing we can do is to edit the environment variables if these two options that we discussed don't work. So we will look for environment variables, edit the system environment variables, click on environment variables, then highlight path by clicking on it once, click on edit, then click on new. Okay, and in that, here we will paste this uh, path, so you can find it in the description of this video. So you need to go to path, edit, new, and then copy and paste this path. There you go, and you click on OK, and you just restart the computer. Click the start button, click the power button, and click on restart, and the command prompt should start working. If it's still not working, then we need to run the system file check scan on PowerShell. So look for PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter. Now I won't press enter because this takes around 15 to 20 minutes or a little more than that to scan, and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. But once the scan runs, then you can restart the computer. Go to the start button, the power button, and you can click on restart. Now if it's still not working, it basically means, I mean, there's a good chance that the antivirus or malware, anti-malware is blocking it. So we will disable any third party or third-party apps, like if you're using Kaspersky, Norton, AVG antivirus, then you need to go there to the settings tab and you need to disable the antivirus and then try running the command prompt. Now if that too doesn't work, then another option we have is to run the command prompt but in the safe mode. To enter the safe mode, you need to click the start button and press the power button, and now while holding the shift key, click on restart. Again, I say that you need to press the shift key, keep it hold, press down, and click on restart, and you'll restart into the safe mode. From there you can try opening command prompt through the methods we discussed, like file explorer or through task manager, and it should open up for you. But if all these solutions don't work, which is, there is a good possibility that 95 or 99% of the time they will work, but if they don't work, then the only option left is to go do a system restore. If you have created a system restore point, or if the system has created a system restore point at an earlier date, so go to recovery, click on open system restore, and then you can do the recommended restore, or you can choose a different restore point. Click on next and click on finished, and the system will restart the computer or the system in the previous date and time where the system was stable and command prompt was not giving any errors. So if this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.